Life can be hectic, but hectic doesn't mean you have to skip breakfast. Planning and prepping is the key, like making our Blueberry Vanilla Overnight Oats the night before. Here's the ingredients you'll need. Don't forget to wash your hands. All you're going to need is to take 1 cup of old-fashioned oats and put it into a bowl. Add in 1 cup of low-fat milk. Then add a tablespoon of honey to give it a little sweetness. We're going to have 1 teaspoon of vanilla and a 1/2 cup of yogurt. We're going to mix this together, and then we're going to divide this mixture into 2 bowls or containers. I like to use jars just like this. I'll move this stuff out of our way. And I'm going to divide this equally. Make sure you get that yogurt mixed in. And it's okay if you spill a little bit of it. You can always clean it up with a paper towel. Or spill a lot of it. Okay. I'm going to clean up my jar just a little bit here. Once you have it into your container, add about a 1/2 cup of washed blueberries, or you could use a 1/2 cup of frozen blueberries in each container. I like to just give it a little mixy-mixy. Top it off. And you're going to refrigerate these for 6 to 8 hours or just overnight. This makes 2 servings and is 330 calories. Enjoy. Check out our recipes at
Eat, Move, Save.